Hey everybody, this is Dave with Alum House Sound. Hey, I want to wish you all a happy new year. It's January 1st, 2023. The sun's shining and I just got back from vacation. And as I'm unpacking things, I'm just thinking about what can you do this year to get better at mixing? What's the challenge? What's the way? What's the plan that you're going to take to advance your skills at mixing? Now, I know a lot of you guys are running digital consoles. Obviously, many of you are on the Behringer kind of ecosystem, so you're either running a Behringer X32, maybe a Midas M32, something along those lines. But if you've got a digital console, you have all of the power that you need to get better this year. So last year I had high hopes of spending a bunch of time on this Wing console, and it just didn't work out the way I wanted it to. Not the console itself, but the practice time that I wanted to devote on that console. Now, I got some good bass lines on it, and I do hope to make a number of videos about this Behringer Wing console here in 2023. But regardless of the console, all you need is to be able to digitally record your multi-tracks, the tracks that you've got from your band, your church, your venue, any tracks you can get a hold of. Heck, if you don't have tracks, I've got some that you can borrow even. Well, not borrow, you can just have them, but they're from my band at my church, probably a year ago now at this point. But just shoot me a message, but we'll talk about it more in just a second. All you need outside of a console is a DAW, a digital audio workstation. Now, I've got a whole video series that walks you through how to get a free DAW and import some tracks and start to work on mixing and messing around and learning EQ and compression. We can come in here, we've got the ability to add maybe a channel strip like this, where we have a low cut, similar to what you do on your console. You've got a one knob compressor. This is more of an analog style compressor, but you've also got a 3-band EQ. You can kind of mess with this. This is very akin to an analog console, low, mid, high, stuff like this. And you can start to mess with these, even an output gain adjustment. And you can start to mess with this on each track, build a mix. You've got faders down here. You can add some buses for reverbs and delays, and you can build a mix right there on your computer using some headphones. Just plug in some earbuds. But again, I've got a video series. I'm going to link the playlist up here, and I'm also going to put that down in the description so that you can take a look at how you can get better in 2023. What are your next steps for getting better as a mix engineer? Maybe you're like me and you just mix at church every now and again. Maybe it's once a month. Maybe you're there every week. I don't know. Maybe you're aspiring and you're hoping to get in because you're a younger person. Maybe you're 16, 17, 18 years old and you're wanting to get plugged in at your church or at a venue close to you. This is the way to do it. Grab some tracks. Start mixing in the box. Treat yourself like a home studio engineer where you've got the ability to take tracks and start to mess with them, start to build and craft a mix. Then when you get to a console like this one or like this one, all you have to do is figure out where those tools are on these boards. And then from there, you can start to craft your mix, build your mix, explore these consoles, the built-in effects and all the tools that they have at your disposal, and start to craft some great music. Well, that's it for now. Also, if you've got questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section on this video, on any other video. I'm always helping people with questions and answering them. The community is growing. We've just passed 10,000 subscribers, so thank you to all of you who have subscribed and follow along with these videos. Also, as always, if you need one-on-one assistance, if you can't get the help that you need because each system is different, although we make great videos, each system is different, right? And so we want to help you craft your specific system, set it up, fine-tune all the details. And if you need help with that, I've got a link in the description as well that's to my website. You can fill out the contact card and shoot me a message. I'll reply back and we can start a conversation outside of YouTube. We want to get you the help that you need so you can start this year off right. Well, thanks so much. That's it. That's just a quick video welcoming you into 2023 and wishing you a happy new year. We'll talk soon. Peace.